If you're looking for the best Dermalogica Precleanse, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Manufactory Cleansing Oil. Manufactory Cleansing Oil is a completely natural facial cleanser that works to eliminate blackheads and remove makeup while still hydrating the skin. The way Manufactory Cleansing Oil is structured in ingredients makes it the closest dupe to Dermalogica Precleanse. Using Manufactory Cleansing Oil is pretty easy. Simply put a little of the product in your hands and smooth it over your face. After that, apply water and gently work the oil in with your fingers to cleanse. When you're finished, thoroughly wash the product off with warm water. Many consumers use this product in the shower, as it may be messy by the sink. Manufactory Cleansing Oil isn't part of a cohesive line of skincare products. This means that if you're just looking for a facial cleanser, Manufactory Cleansing Oil can fit right in. If you want to revamp your beauty routine, however, check out Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser. Sukin, the brand, places an emphasis on deriving ingredients from nature as well as being eco-friendly in its packaging and ingredient harvest. If these are important factors that drive your skincare decisions, Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser is a great addition to your routine. Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser can be more frustrating to use than other facial cleansers, as it requires being washed off with hot water on a washcloth. If you have more oily skin, this may find that the Sukin cleanser is too light and doesn't effectively cleanse your skin. If you have more dry or normal skin, this may not be as much of an issue. Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser is part of a larger line with products that may enhance the usage of this one. This is a great choice if you're looking to revamp your beauty routine. The number 3 position is held by Bioderma Sébium Micellar Water. While Bioderma Sébium Micellar Water is best formulated for oily and combination skin, it also comes in dry and sensitive skin versions. Even though some people with sensitive skin find this particular product fine to use, others have found that it causes breakouts. Bioderma Sébium Micellar Water has the easiest application process of all our recommended products. To apply, soak a cotton makeup remover pad or cloth with the product and gently rub along your face to cleanse. You can rinse your face off afterwards, but it's not necessary. Bioderma Sébium Micellar Water doesn't need other products to enhance the usage of this one. This means that it can slide seamlessly into your established beauty routine. Next at number 4 we have La Roche-Posay Tellurium Face Wash. La Roche-Posay Tellurium Face Wash cleanses your face of makeup, sweat, and other pollutants while still maintaining your skin's protective barrier and pH. If you're looking to streamline your end-of-the-day facial cleansing routine, this is a great product to have in your arsenal. Applying La Roche-Posay Tellurium Face Wash is pretty straightforward. When the product comes out of the container, it foams, which means it won't be too difficult to maneuver around your face. This also means you need less of it to work, as it won't drip off into the sink. La Roche-Posay Tellurium Face Wash can be used with the same brand's moisturizer, but it's not necessary to enhance the usage of this wash. This means that this face wash can fit seamlessly into your skincare routine. The number 5 position is held by Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil. Bioderma is a popular skincare company that many people have found major success using. That's why we picked their Atoderm Cleansing Oil as our favorite dupe for the Dermalogica Precleanse. The Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil is made for all skin types, even sensitive and acne-prone skin. It is intensely hydrating, and it makes your skin feel and look moisturized for 24 hours. It improves the texture of the skin, making it feel softer and smoother. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, and niacinamide in it for maximum nourishment. Although it is meant for the whole body, it works on the face as well. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Also, this product is free from sulfates and parabens. The number 6 position is dominated by DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. DHC didn't used to be a popular skincare brand, but their deep cleansing oil is what made them blow up all around the world. We had to include it in this list as one of our favorite dupes. The DHC Deep Cleansing Oil is amazing for dissolving any makeup and getting rid of dirt and debris from the surface of your skin. It is suitable for all skin types ranging from super oily to super dry. It even is good for more sensitive or acne-prone skin. It improves the texture of your skin, making it feel much smoother. It unclogs the pores and refreshes the skin. Also, it is made without synthetic fragrances or parabens. DHC is another skincare brand that is not cruelty-free. Also, if you use it too much, it tends to strip the skin. So we recommend only using this specific product a few times a week. Moving on to the next at number 7 with the Inkey Listo Cleansing Balm. The Inkey List is one of the more budget-friendly skincare options at Sephora, but their products feel very high-end. Their Old Cleansing Balm is another great dupe for the Dermalogica Precleanse. The Inkey Listo Cleansing Balm dissolves makeup and gently cleans the face without stripping it. It adds a lot of moisture back into the skin, so it is great for skin on the drier side. But regardless, it is suitable for all skin types. One complaint that some users have is that after a while, the formula begins to separate. If possible, we recommend shaking the product before using it to prevent this from happening. Also, make sure you're not using it past its expiration date. Also, it can be difficult to completely remove and wash off the skin. The number 8 position is held by Bare Minerals Smoothness Hydrating Cleansing Oil. You may know of Bare Minerals as a cosmetics brand, but did you know that they also make amazing skincare products? We absolutely love their Smoothness Hydrating Cleansing Oil. The Bare Minerals Smoothness Hydrating Cleansing Oil dissolves even the toughest makeup from the skin, yes, even waterproof makeup. When you rinse it off, it doesn't leave a residue at all. It is suitable for all skin types no matter if you're oily, dry, sensitive, or acne-prone. It is formulated with sunflower oil, which helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. It also has pomegranate extract in it, which helps to give the skin a youthful, radiant glow. Also, Bare Minerals is cruelty-free. This is another product that could be out of some people's budgets. However, it is still less than Dermalogica's Precleanse. Also, it does have a heavy fragrance to it. Next, at number 9 we have Cocokind Oil. It's a milk cleanser. Cocokind describes themselves as a non-toxic skincare brand, and we appreciate how much they care about what ingredients they are using in their products. This product is one of our favorite dupes for the Dermalogica Precleanse. The Cocokind Oil to Milk Cleanser efficiently cleanses the skin without stripping it at all. It is very gentle, so it is great for sensitive skin. But it is suitable for all skin types. It balances the skin's pH level, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Some reviewers complain that they don't like the smell of this product. So if you're sensitive to strong scents, this may not be the product for you. Also, it can be difficult to completely rinse off the skin. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Origin's Modern Friction Cleansing Oil. Origins is a skincare company that has been widely known for years. They make their products with lots of natural ingredients which users love. Their Modern Friction Cleansing Oil is an excellent dupe for the Dermalogica Precleanse. The Origins Modern Friction Cleansing Oil dissolves any dirt and slash or makeup on the skin. It improves the texture of the skin, making it look and feel smooth and supple. It is suitable for all skin types ranging from super oily to super dry to even sensitive skin. It adds a glowy finish that will give your skin a youthful, radiant glow. Also, it very gently exfoliates the skin. This product is made without parabens or sulfates. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.